So as we gather our thoughts of reality, thoughts of belief, are you ready to face the day with certainty on the belief that you are holding? Paalala na sila, Zeus. Dapat sakto ang mindset mo. Huwag ka magpadala sa kanila, brother. Aso lang yan sila. Wala yan silang konsensya. Kagatin ka nila, putsa nga lang kagatin mo, brother. Huwag ka magpatalo, brother. Pinakain ka ni Brian para to fight another day. Kung meron magsuntok sa'yo dun sa daan ng aso, awayin natin yan, brother. Banggain natin yan. Hala ka. Nahadlo